Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the spark plugs and the air filter on this Suzuki Swift. This particular model is 2019 and the engine size is 1 liter. So just going to start the procedure. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the engine cover. Right, so this particular engine is a 3-cylinder engine and there are 3 spark plugs which we're going to change. So in order to change all these 3 spark plugs, we'll have to remove the air filter box. So before we remove the air filter box, we'll have to remove this pipe, inlet pipe, which is going into the air filter box. So what we need here is we need a 8mm socket to undo the Jubilee clamp here. Okay, then we'll have to undo the Jubilee clamp here. Right, so before we remove the pipe, we'll undo this vacuum pipe from this slot here. So I'm just gonna pull the pipe off in this manner, and same on this manner. Okay, so this pipe here, which is a fuel pipe, was clipped in here. So that's the inlet pipe removed. Next we'll remove the air filter box, and the air filter box is secured by 2 stud bolts, one here and one there. So we're going to be using a 10mm socket for that. There we go. And then this bolt here. So these are the bolts holding the air filter box housing, as well as it's got the stud at the top which secures the engine cover on it. So there are 3 of them, one here, 2, and the third one here. So these studs are securing the engine cover on top of the engine. Right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to undo the mass airflow sensor harness connector. So we're just going to pull this tab, yellow tab, towards us, and then we're going to press it, and that's how we're going to pull the air mass flow sensor connector. Forgot to mention that we'll also have to undo this Jubilee clamp here. So this is the outlet pipe from the air filter box going into the throttle body. Right, so we'll be using 8mm socket to undo this Jubilee clamp on this side. Right, so now that we have loosened this Jubilee clamp here, so we are ready to remove the air filter box housing. So I'm just gonna undo this pipe here. Here we go. And then we can pull the air filter box out in this manner. We'll also have to remove this vacuum pipe from here. So this vacuum pipe goes in here. That's just a blank. So just going to rest the air filter box here in this manner. So now all the 3 spark plugs are fully exposed. So we're going to remove 10mm bolts. We're going to pull out the coil packs, and this is how we're going to change the spark plugs. Second one, and the third one here. There we go. So that's all 3 bolts removed. So just gonna pull the coil pack number 1, 2, 3. Right, so next we're gonna use a 16mm specially designed magnetic socket to extract the spark plugs. So just gonna start removing the spark plug number 1. There we go. So this is the spark plug number 1. We are using Danso make spark plugs. So I'll be replacing one spark plug at a time. You wanna drop anything into the chamber, the slots where the spark plugs are fitted. Right, so before I insert the spark plugs in, I'm just gonna measure the size of them, the old one and the new one. Yep, perfect. So the spark plug number 1 goes in. There we go. That's the spark plug number 1, fully secured. Spark plug number 2 we're going to extract now. There we go. So that's the spark plug number 2. Looks pretty much worn out. Here comes the new one. There we go. Always hand tighten it to start with so that you don't damage the thread. Just gonna tighten it. There we go. That's perfect. Alright, just gonna extract the spark plug number 3. Third one was proper tight. There we go. So that's the spark plug number 3. Again, looks pretty much worn out. Here comes the new spark plug number 3. Again, I'm going to hand tighten it to start off with. There we go. Perfect. So that's all the spark plugs fully secured. Just going to bring the coil pack in. So starting with number 3. There we go. That's the coil pack number 3 fully home. Number 2. And number 1. Just gonna insert the bolts. Right, just gonna tighten the bolts now. Then it's the 2. And now we're gonna secure the coil pack number 1. That's all the spark plugs fully home. The coil packs are nicely secured. Right, so next thing I'm gonna do is gonna fit the air filter box back onto the engine. So before we fit the air filter box back onto the engine, we're gonna change the air filter as well. So to change the air filter, we're gonna undo these 2 clips and just going to remove the old air filter. Right, here comes the new air filter. We are using a Bosch make air filter. So just gonna take it out of the box. So this stud here gets fitted in here like this, in this manner. So remember, this stud here goes in here, in this space here. So just gonna fit the bottom bit to start with, like this, and then we're gonna screw the clips at the top. There we go. And then this side. Perfect. So we're just gonna bring in the air filter box in this manner, like this. So before we secure the air filter box onto the engine, we're gonna insert this vacuum pipe in here. So this vacuum pipe goes in here. So the air filter box sits on the dampers at the back. So these dampers here. There you go. Got it. Okay. So now the air filter box is nicely seated in. So next we're gonna secure this pipe here. There we go. So that's the pipe here, nicely secured. So this is the outlet from the air filter box. We are ready to secure the air filter box onto the engine. 2 bolts. One on this side. Just gonna secure it with the panel socket. There we go. And this one. There we go. So that's both of the bolts fully secured. Next we're gonna secure this Jubilee clamp here. For the Jubilee clamp we're gonna be using 8mm socket. There we go, that's the air outlet pipe fully secured onto the air filter box. So now we're gonna fit the air inlet pipe. Here comes the air inlet pipe. So just gonna push it all the way in from the back. There we go. And then I secure the front. Just like that. Right, so now we are ready to secure the Jubilee clamps, both of them. So before we secure the Jubilee clamps, we're gonna clip, we're gonna secure this pipe in here in this manner. There we go. That's the Jubilee clamp at the front, fully secured. Now we're gonna secure the Jubilee clamp at the back here. There we go. So that's the Jubilee clamp at the back, fully secured. Next we're gonna fit this mass airflow sensor connector. We're just gonna push it all the way in, and then we're gonna push this yellow tab all the way in to secure it from coming off. Right, next we're gonna fit this engine cover back onto the engine. Just gonna make sure that it sits in to the studs. Just gonna push it down. There we go, friends. That's the spark plugs and the air filter nicely being replaced on this Suzuki Swift 2019 model. I hope you find my videos helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.